The Cocoli mooring station is a Panama Canal modernization project to meet the demand for transit of Neopanamax vessels, which allows increasing capacity and providing a more efficient service to our customers.
The mooring station that we're seeing here was inaugurated recently. It's going to help us have more flexibility in scheduling of the vessels. It will also help us when we have a fog season in the cut and we cannot transit ships to tie up a vessel until the fog dissipates, and that will increase our capacity or throughput. We have two tie-up stations in this new access channel in Cocoli. One was built originally with the expansion program, and this one we just completed recently. The other reason we need tie-up stations is if there's a mechanical problem with any of our vessels, we have an area where we can tie it up and not interrupt traffic.
This project adds flexibility in the programming of ships, especially in the Culebra Cut area, which results in a greater capacity to handle ships in the canal, as well as a more reliable and safe service.